Hello guys, welcome back to VK Tutorials educational channel. In this video, we'll learn a simple trick on how to find the cube root of any number. Before that, let us check some basics. So what are the basics here? First thing you have to learn is a cube table. You must be aware of cube table, right? Like 1 cube is what? 1 into 1 into 1 will give us 1, and 2 cube is 8. 3 cube should be 27, like 64. Then comes 125. Then 216, 6 cube, 7 cube is 343, 512, then comes 729 and 1000. So this is from 1 to 10 cubes. You have to remember this, like 4 cube 64, 5 cube 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So first thing, learn these cubes. Then we should also understand what is a cube root. As you all know what is a cube root. Cube root of 125 is 5. How did we get that? So this is what our conventional method is, 5 into 5 into 5. So we get from this triplet 1 5 is taken out. So this is the conventional method. But if they are asking us to find the cube root of 148877, so it is very difficult for us to solve. So what we have to do is learn some basics and some tricks. So what are those tricks? Ones place trick. Suppose inside the cube root, the ones place has value of 1. Then you say the number, the answer of this should also have in 1 in ones place. If it is 2, it will end with 8. If it is 3, it will have 7. If it is 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 3 and 8, 2, 9, 9, 0, 0. Okay, so concentrate on only 2, 3, 7, 8. See, it's very easy to remember. If it is 2, it will be 8. If it is 8, it will be 2. If it is 3, it will be 7. If it is 7, it will be 3. So it's very easy to remember. Now that we know how to guess the ones place number, see, the ones place in this is 7. Because it is 7, so what should the ones place be? It should be 3. Now, consider the first 3 numbers and check the cube table. From the cube table, the perfect cube which is lesser than 148. So the lesser than 148 is 125. This is a perfect cube and it is for what? 5. Therefore, the answer is 53. You can also calculate and check this in your calculators. It is absolutely right. Then another example. Let me give more examples. 658503. Okay. So what is in the ones place? 3 is in the ones place. So we can assume that whatever the answer is should have 7 in the ones place. Then take these 3 numbers. After taking these 3 numbers, check whether it has any perfect cube lesser than it. 658. So obviously 512 is the lesser one. So it is for what? 8. So answer is 87. Then finding the cube root of another number. Cube root of 970299. Okay. So here 9 is in the ones place. So obviously it is very easy for us to guess. It will be 9 again. And considering these 3 numbers, see the lesser perfect cube from 970, it is 729 and it is a cube of 9. So answer is 99. Finding the cube root of 287496. So use our tricks. So see, the first number is 6. So obviously it should also end with 6. We know that if it is only 2, 3, 7, 8, it will change to 2 changes to 8, 8 changes to 2, 3 changes to 7 and 7 changes to 3. Apart from that, any number will have the same number. Like if it is 6, it will also be 6. Now take these 3 numbers. 287. 287 is the first 3 digits. So we need to find the lesser perfect cube. What is the number which is lesser perfect cube than 287? It is 6 cube. That is 216. So obviously this is the number that is required. Therefore 66 cube is equals to 287,496, or we found cube root of 287,496 is equals to 66. So it's very easy to solve. I hope you understood. So practicing, take some examples, any examples of your choice, or take these, find the cube root of 704,969, or find for cube root of 175,616. Thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. You can follow our Facebook page at vktutorials.in. Also our Instagram page vktutorials_. Log on to our website www.vktutorialacademy.com.